In this video, we introduce the Picker tool. You will love the Picker tool if there is no forecast spot available at or near your desired location. You can use the Picker tool to get the current and forecasted wind speed and direction for your location. To use the Picker tool, simply tap on the animated wind map. The crosshair cursor indicates the exact position of the picker. The box that just popped up displays the corresponding values to the location of the crosshair cursor. The crosshair cursor is always in the center of your screen. To change the position of the crosshair, touch and drag the map in the background until it is adjusted to your point of interest. To get a forecast of that spot, use the time bar in the lower part of your screen. Jump in the time intervals or play the forecast on the play button, and the picker box will display the upcoming forecast values for your chosen location. Well done! You just got to know the Windfinder Picker tool. Enjoy the picker for wind information in yet unknown spots.